Hi my lovely crochet friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and adorable primrose flower. And don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll guide you step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along with ease. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 0.9mm crochet hook and yellow acrylic double knit yarn. Let's start with the pollen. Begin by making a magic ring. Inside this ring, chain 2 and do 15 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and finally 15. Don't forget to slip stitch into the first stitch to close the ring. Make sure to do this nicely and neatly, because this will form the centre of your flower. Now attach dark pink yarn, and now we're going to create the first layer of the petals. In the same stitch, do chain 4, 3 triple crochets, then do 3 triple crochets in the next stitch, chain 4 and do a slip stitch. You can cut off the yellow yarn. You can pull the yellow yarns and make a knot in them to secure it. Then cut off the extra. Now your first petal is complete. You need to repeat this pattern 4 times. Don't forget to take your time here. These stitches create the lovely primrose shape. I'll show you one more time how to make the first petal. Make sure your stitches aren't too tight or too loose. You can do this in any colour that you like. Now you just need 2 more. And now it's complete. You've made 5 petals. Now attach light pink yarn. Insert a 0.4mm wire. We are going to crochet over it for support. This helps your flower hold its shape beautifully. Now work. Now do 2 slip stitch, and then 2 single crochet, then half double crochet and double crochet in the same space. Now 2 double crochet in the same space. And again, 2 double crochet in the same space. Chain 2 and slip stitch in the middle. Now repeat. Chain 2 and do 2 double crochet in the same space. Twice. Then do a double crochet and a half double crochet in the same space. Two single crochet. Then 2 slip stitch. And slip stitch between the petals. You need to repeat this pattern around for all of the petals. Don't worry if it feels tricky. Just go slowly. You're doing great. I'm showing you one more time. Make sure that you're doing it so the wire is in between the stitches. This helps to support. Again, this can be any colour you like. Now slip stitch into the next petal. Now 2 petals are finished. You now have 3 more to go. Fasten off and trim any extra yarn and wire. Now the flower part is finished. Now let's make the sepal. Using green yarn, make a magic ring, chain 2 and do 15 half double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Now do a single crochet in each stitch. All around. Then slip stitch to finish. Cut off the extra yarn and turn it inside out, as this gives it a natural look. And now hide the yarn and then trim it off. Here you can see I'm hiding the yarn through the stitches. Now cut them off. Now your sepal is complete. You can carefully shape the petals and sepal using gentle heat. Please be careful, safety is first. Now the fun part, assembling your flower. Apply yellow paint to the centre. And now let it dry. Take your 0.7mm wire and wrap it with green yarn. Bend it slightly and secure it with glue. Insert this into the center of the flower. Attach the sepal underneath. And secure it with glue. Now wrap the stem in green yarn. Now gently adjust the petals to give it a natural look. If you like, you can add leaves, and you can check out my previous Primrose tutorial. like these. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting, everyone!